Hello and welcome to 52 Weeks YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos in less than a minute. The tool I'm going to use is called Canva, which enables me and many more YouTubers out there to create stunning thumbnails in just a few clicks. Thumbnails are a work of art. If liked and appreciated, they directly impact your YouTube success. So let's just get to it. Let's log on to Google and go to canva.com. To create a perfectly sized artboard, I'm going to search YouTube thumbnails and then create a blank canvas. Now suppose you want to start a motivational channel. Just type in motivation and hundreds of templates would appear in front of you. Now you can change everything about this design, but I'm going to show you the basics, so follow through as I make it my own. The image is changed, a bit of the color too, and it's done. A unique thumbnail is ready. Moving on to your imaginary fitness channel. Choose from one of the templates and play with it like I am. Canva gives you the freedom to do so. Obviously, I can change the colors, the text, and more. It's entirely up to me. But even in this case, with minimal efforts, my fitness video thumbnail is ready in just a minute. Now let's start an imaginary financial advisory channel where you repeat the process I just explained. Like I said, Canva gives you the freedom to express your creativity. With this theme as my selection, I was able to transform it to this using only Canva resources. Of course, you can take it to whatever level you like. The choice is absolutely yours. My imaginary baking channel could also use some channel art, which again has hundreds of templates. In less than a minute, I transformed it from this to this. You can do it too, all thanks to Canva. If you like this video, please do the needful. Creating content is not that difficult. We at 52 Weeks tell you the secrets nobody will share. So don't forget to show us your love.